Mini's JCW X Deus Ex Machina collaboration birthed the Skeg, a concept that wears surf culture on its sleeve and rally heritage under its skin. Part art piece, part performance sketch, the Skeg reimagines the John Cooper Works hatchback as an electric, beach-ready show car. Semi-transparent fiberglass panels, visible rivets, neoprene-wrapped seats, and roof straps give it a handcrafted, surfboard van meets hot hatch look. The aim isn't to hide its inspiration, it's to celebrate it. The concept surfaces are intentionally tactile and layered, designed to look like a functional object rather than a glossy showroom product. Under the skin, the Skeg is an electric show car. Mini calls it a show car, not a production announcement, with packaging choices tailored for weight saving and style, lightweight body panels, stripped back trim, and a focus on the driver environment. Mini's collaboration partner Deus Ex Machina, a lifestyle brand rooted in surf and motorcycle culture, informs the details: strap-fasten storage, neoprene upholstery, and color accents that nod to beach palettes. The whole package reads like a weekend machine built for short, spirited runs to the coast, not long-distance luxury. Performance cues are present but framed through the concept lens. One media account notes an electric front motor producing around 255 horsepower for the Skeg, enough for lively city and canyon driving while keeping the car accessible and fun. Mini's second show car in this tie-up is a combustion-based Machina focused on track and rally cues, so the duo highlights Mini's ability to interpret JCW performance in both electric and internal combustion forms. Neither car is slated for sale, but both demonstrate how Mini intends to keep its iconic hatchback culture fresh and surprising. Beyond the specs, the Skeg's real value lies in mood and brand storytelling. Mini and Deus Ex Machina are selling a lifestyle, and the concept does it honestly, not by adding meaningless trim but by welding together form, function, and subculture cues. That storytelling helps Mini keep JCW relevant and headline-worthy while the brand transitions to different drivetrains and global strategies. Expect the Skeg's design cues, lightweight panels, playful interior fixtures, and surf-centric accessories to surface in future special editions or marketing campaigns, even if the car itself remains a one-off.